Good morning students, my name is Avinash, working as a mathematics lecturer, KPS PU College at Sikere. So in last video, we already discussed about properties of determinants and some problems related on properties of determinants. So today, we will discuss 4 marks problems related on properties of determinants. So in that first one, next slide. In that first one, show that determinant a square plus 1 ab ac ba b square plus 1 bc ca cb c square plus 1 which is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 1. So we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So see here, RHS a square plus b square plus c square plus 1. So for this we need some construction. Okay, solution. So first you consider LHS. So here LHS, so LHS is nothing but determinant value, right? So LHS, so determinant. So a square plus 1 ab ac, so ba b square plus 1 bc ca cb c square plus 1. So given determinant can be written as, so 1 into determinant, so a square plus 1 ab ac, so ba b square plus 1 bc ca cb c square plus 1. So 1 into determinant anta vari badalva, again we get determinant. So 1 can be written as, ABC into 1 divided by ABC. So can we write in place of 1 ABC into 1 by ABC? Yes, because ABC cancel, again we get 1 into determinant, right, as it is. So a square plus 1 AB AC, so BA B square plus 1 BC CA CB C square plus 1, right? So you know that. So here rows, column. So R1, R2, R3. So ನಾನು ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? a square plus b square plus c square plus 1. So multiplying, dividing first row by a, second row by b, third row by c. That is nothing but, so R1 changes to R1 divided by a, R2 changes to R2 divided by b, and R3 changes to R3 divided by c. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So R1 changes to, that means operating R1 implies R1 divided by a, R2 implies R2 divided by b, and R3 implies R3 divided by c. So which is equal to, so ABC write as it is. So determinant, so dividing first row by a, right? So a square plus 1 divided by a, next ab divided by a, ac divided by a. So in the same way, second row, so second row R2 implies R2 divided by b, that means, so BA divided by b, b square plus 1 divided by b, bc divided by b. So third row R3 implies R3 divided by c, that means, so CA divided by c, right, CB divided by c, c square plus 1 divided by c. So which is equal to ABC. So dividing each term, see here, a square by a plus 1 by a square by a get cancelled. So finally we get a plus 1 by a. So here a cancel, b, a cancel, c, right? Next bb cancel, a, again dividing each term, b square by b plus 1 by b. So finally we get b plus 1 by b, right? Next bb cancel, C. So in third row, CC cancel A, CC cancel B. So here again dividing each term. C square plus 1 divided by C is nothing but C square by C plus 1 by C. So C plus 1 by C. Right? You know that. This is nothing but column 1, column 2, column 3. Right? So next step, A, B, C. So here you take LCM. A into A square plus 1 divided by A. So write B and C as it is. Okay. Next A. Again here you take LCM. B into B square plus 1 divided by B C. So in third row, write AB as it is. A B. So C into C square plus 1 divided by C. Okay, write first. Okay, next step. So ನೋಡಿ, ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಕಾಲಮ್ 1, ಕಾಲಮ್ 2, ಕಾಲಮ್ 3. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬೈ ಎ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬೈ ಬಿ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬೈ ಸಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬೈ ಎ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬೈ ಬಿ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬೈ ಸಿ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಸೊ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್, ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಎ. ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬೈ ಎ, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ C1 implies AC1, C2 implies BC2 and C3 implies C into C3. So multiply ಮಾಡಿ first column. So A into A into A. So multiplying second column by B. That means B into B. Next B square plus 1 divided by B into B. Next B into B. So multiplying third column by C. So C into C, C into C, C square plus 1 divided by C into C. So see here, AA get cancelled, BB get cancelled, CC get cancelled. So remaining, which is equal to determinant of A square plus 1 B into B, B square, C into C, C square, right? A into A square, B square plus 1, C square, right? A square, B square, C square plus 1. So next step, you know that. So column 1, column 2, column 3. So if I adding C1 plus C2 plus C3, so we get A square plus B square plus C square plus 1. Yes, of course. So add ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? A square. If I adding C1 plus C2 plus C3, we get A square plus B square plus C square plus 1. So ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ A square, B square, C square plus 1. A square, B square, C square plus 1. A square, B square, C square plus 1. So next step, operating C1 implies C1 plus C2 plus C3. So if I changing C1, write C2 and C3 as it is. If I changing C1, write C2 and C3 as it is. Okay. So next step, which is equal to C1 implies C1 plus C2 plus C3. So if I changing C1, write C2 and C3 as it is. So C2 value b square plus 1, next b square. So c value, c3 value, c square plus 1. So c1 changes to c1 plus c2 plus c3. That means a square plus b square plus c square plus 1. a square plus b square plus c square plus 1. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 1. So c1, c2, c3. So observing c1 values. So here a square plus b square plus c square plus 1 common. Take it outside, which is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 1. So remaining in c1 1, 1, 1. So b square c square, b square plus 1 c square, b square c square plus 1, right? So already ನಿಮಗೆ RHS ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಏನಿದೆ RHS a square plus b square plus c square plus 1. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್ upper triangular matrix. What is upper triangular matrix? The matrix in which the elements below the principal diagonals are equal to 0. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ given determinant ನ ನಾನು upper triangular matrix ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So upper triangular matrix ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ determinant value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? If a given matrix is upper triangular matrix, then the value of determinant of that matrix is always equal to product of the principal diagonal. So ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನಾವು 1 ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 1 ನ 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ನಾವು 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ r1 r2 r3. ಸೊ 1 ಅನ್ನೋದು r1 ಇದೆಯೋ r2 ಇದೆಯೋ? r2 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ r2 implies, ಸೊ 0 ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? r2 ಮೈನಸ್ r1, r2 ಮೈನಸ್ r1. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ 1 ನ 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. r3 implies r3 ಮೈನಸ್ r1, r3 ಮೈನಸ್ r1. ನೋಡಿ b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0, 1 minus 1 0. So which is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 1. So if I changing r2 and r3, write write r1 as it is. So 1 b square c square. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? r2 minus r1, 1 minus 1 0. So see here b square plus 1 minus b square plus b square minus b square cancel, we get 1. Next c square minus c square 0. Next r3 implies r3 minus r1, that means 1 minus 1 0. b square minus b square 0. Next c square plus 1 minus c square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಎಸ್, ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲೋ ದಿ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0, 0, 0, 0. Then the value of determinant is always equal to product of the principal diagonals. So next step, a square plus b square plus c square plus 1 into product of the principal diagonal. That means, so 1 into 1 into 1, which is equal to 1. So finally we get a square plus b square plus c square plus 1, which is equal to RHS. So usually ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ 1 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Good morning students. So in last video we already learnt about first problems related on determinants, right? So in today's video, we will move on to the remaining problems. So for your exam point of view, these problems are very, very important. Okay, next slide. So second problem, prove that determinant b plus c, c plus a plus b, q plus r plus p, p plus q, y plus z, z plus x, x plus y, which is equal to 2 times of determinant a, b, c, p, q, r, x, y, z. So we have to prove that given LHS which is equal to RHS. So here RHS 2 times of determinant of a, b, c, p, q, r, x, y, z. For getting RHS value, so we need some construction. Okay, solution. So first you take given LHS. So given LHS. So here LHS value which is equal to determinant of, which is equal to determinant of, so b plus c, c plus a plus b. So second row q plus r plus p, p plus q, right? So third row y plus z, z plus x, x plus y. So you know that already. So this is nothing but column 1, column 2, column 3. So next step, operate C1 implies, so C1 minus C2 plus C3. So why should I take C1 implies C1 minus C2 plus C3? So for getting RHS APX, so for getting RHS APX, so we should operate C1 implies C1 minus of C2 plus C3. So you know that C1 value. So calculate. So C1 is nothing but, so b plus c minus C2 value c plus a plus C3 value a plus b, right? So b plus c, which implies, so c plus a plus a 2a plus b, right? So b plus c minus c, so minus into plus minus, so 2a again minus into plus minus b. So see here plus b minus b get cancelled. So in the same way plus c minus c get cancelled, right? So finally we get minus 2a. So in the same way q plus r minus of r plus p plus p plus q. So finally we get minus, so finally we get minus 2p. So y plus z minus of z plus x plus x plus y. So finally we get minus 2x. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ C1, write C2 and C3 as it is. Okay, first you write C2 value. So C2 here c plus a r plus p, next z plus x. Okay, next C3 value a plus b, p plus q, x plus y. So you know that C1 value, if I solving first row we get minus 2a. That means if I solving C1 implies C1 minus of C2 plus C3, we get minus 2a. In the same way we get minus 2p, next minus 2x, minus 2x. So next step, see here this is nothing but C1, C2, C3. So in C1 minus 2 common, take it outside. So minus 2 common, take it outside. So we get, so remaining value AP x, so So C plus A, R plus P, next Z plus X, next A plus B, P plus Q, X plus Y. So we get first column value APX. Then how to find CRZ? How to find BQY? So we need some operation. Okay. Next step, you know that this is nothing but C1, C2, C3, right? Okay. For getting CRZ or BQY, we need some operation. So operating. So C2 implies C2 minus C1. So ನೋಡಿ C2 minus C1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ನನಗೆ CRZ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ C plus A minus A plus A minus A cancel we get C. Next R plus P minus P plus P minus P cancel we get R. Z plus X minus X plus X minus X get cancel we get Z. In a same way C3 implies C3 minus C1 because so ನಮಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನೋಡಿ C2 ಏನಿದೆ BQY ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ BQY ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು C3 minus C1. ಸೊ A plus B minus A plus A minus A cancel we get B. P plus Q minus P plus P minus P cancel we get Q. X plus Y minus X we get Y value. So finally we get minus 2 times of so write C1 as it is. Okay, A P X. So operating C2 minus C1, so we get C, next R, next Z. So operating C3 which implies C3 minus C1. So A plus B minus A we get so B Q Y. BQY. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು RHS ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಿ. RHS ಏನಿದೆ 2 times of APX C BQY CRZ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು C2 ಮತ್ತೆ C3 ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ So next step so to find RHS value, for getting RHS value, so we should interchange C2 and C3, right? This is nothing but C1 C2 C3. so ಈಗ C2 ಮತ್ತೆ C3 ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So in determinants, if 2 rows and 2 columns are interchanged, then the value of determinant will become negative, right? Properties ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So in determinants, if 2 rows or 2 columns are interchanged, then the value of the determinant become negative. Okay, so ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ interchange ಮಾಡಿ. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ C2 interchanges to C3. So if I interchanging C2 and C3, so write C1 as it is. So which implies minus 2 times of so A P X. So interchange, so B Q Y, next C R Z. So if I interchanging 2 columns, then the value of the determinant will become negative, that means minus 1. So see here, minus into minus plus. So 2 times of A P X B Q Y C R Z. So this is nothing but RHS, which is equal to RHS. So for your exam point of view, these problems are very important. So 4 marks problems. So last main ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 4 marks problems, ಈ problems ನಿಮಗೆ final exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, right first. Next slide. ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.